Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about using the ExifTool to edit the resolution of a photo, and I'm going to be doing this on a Mac, but you could also do this on Windows or Linux. So I'll put a link in the description to this ExifTool by Phil Harvey here, and you can go down here and it has, if you click on installation instructions, it tells you how to install this on Windows, it tells you how to install it on Mac. And then on Linux you could, I think there's a package, you could probably say apt-get install ExifTool. But I'm using Mac ports and I've done a video on that. I'll put a link in the description of that also. But you just type sudo space port space install space and then ExifTool, hit enter, and then you'll type your password in and it will install the ExifTool. And I've already installed it, so I don't need to do that again. So what we have here is a picture. Let me open this up. This is a picture of a train. And if we go to Tools here and say Show Inspector, we'll see it here. It says DPI height and DPI width is 72. So this is kind of a weird video to make because it's kind of pointless. But sometimes when you're uploading a photo to a service, they might say they want a 300 DPI photo. And I'm saying this because it's actually happened a couple times. And this is a 72 DPI photo. Now, your resolution of your photo depends on how big you print it and how many dots there are. So if you look at the pixel height, we have 3024 by 4032. So if you change this DPI, then it doesn't change this pixel height or width. It just puts metadata in there saying it's 300 DPI. But it really depends on what you print it at. If you print it small, it's going to be a higher resolution. If you print it large, it's going to be a larger resolution. So this is just metadata that's more or less useless for the most part, but sometimes things require it. So say we want to change this to 300 DPI. I'll close this. We can use ExifTool to do that. So I'm at my terminal here, and I will go to the desktop. I'll clear my screen. I'll type ExifTool, and then I'll type train.JPG. And I'll hit enter here. And what this will do is this will show all of the EXIF metadata for this photo. And you can see there's quite a bit of it. I mean, boy, there's the name, the size, the date it was taken. I think on here somewhere it has like GPS position. It has all of this metadata here. Here's GPS position, so you can tell where I took this. And within this, it also has resolution. Let me see, I think it's up here. Resolution right here. So it has Xresolution and Yresolution, and it says 72. So if you're trying to upload a picture and it says you cannot upload this picture because it's not 300 DPI, we can go in here and type ExifTool and then -Xresolution equals 300 -Yresolution equals 300, and then we'll put the name of the photo. So this will overwrite this photo. So I've already copied it. I have train_orig. And if I hit this here, it updates the metadata. So if I run ExifTool train.JPG, and this time I'm going to say pipe grep, and you can't do this on Windows, but you can do it on Linux. But I'll type grep-I resolution. And here we see we have the Xresolution and Yresolution is 300 DPI. If we open this up again, go to Inspector, now we see the DPI height and DPI width is 300. So if you're uploading this to something and it wanted 300, you could upload it now and it would take it. Now if you notice here, the pixel height and the pixel width is the same. So this just changed this metadata here. It didn't re-encode the JPEG image or anything. It just changed that little description data. So you could have software that's reading that and printing it out at a specific size at a specific DPI. But for the most part, if you're taking it into like Photoshop or something, you're just going to resize it to whatever size you want. And it's going to be whatever the DPI is based on the size you make it. So that's the basic usage of ExifTool to change the resolution of an image. ExifTool is super powerful, has all these features in it. I'm just going over this one because it's a problem I ran into. It might be a problem that you've run into. But if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.